Damn, Tanna got that heat, let's go.
Now, okay, now we got the Pixel 5a 5G unboxed. Man, I'm not gonna cheat you out of this one, so take a close listen. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now, people, this color right here is called sorta kind of black or whatever. Man, salute to Team Pixel for sending me this phone, but this is like a deep hunter green, or if I would have named it, I'd call it a midnight green. Very good looking color, not bad at all. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Now, as far as the size of the device, it's just a little bit bigger than the Pixel 5 from last year and all that. Man, oh man, oh man. Let me go ahead and set this up. All right, everybody, I pretty much got my account set up and everything on the phone, but as you can see up there with the arrow blinking, it's still downloading a lot of my apps and settings and all that. As you can see, so far I'm rocking the stock wallpaper, which is the green one and all that. You swipe right, got the Google News and all that. And people, I will say it again, nothing runs Android like a Pixel.
He ain't lying.
And people, if you were wondering about how big the phone is, this is it, right next to last year's Pixel 5. Yep, it's a little bit tall on deck. And this is the 5A next to my iPhone 12. Yep, as you can see, it's a little bit taller. Okay, on the bottom of the phone, you got the microphone, USB-C port, and speaker. On the right side of the phone, you got a volume rocker right there, yes indeed, and a perforated power button. Yes sir, yes sir. Then on the top, you got a noise canceling microphone and headphone jack. On the left side of the phone, you got the SIM card tray. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And as far as the back goes, man, you got two cameras on deck with a multicolored flash, a fingerprint sensor. Thank God, and the Google logo tastefully put. And as far as the feeling of hand of the device, I got medium hands, kind of fat but medium and everything. Pretty good, pretty light. Nothing to complain about at all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I'm really still feeling the flat display. I like curved displays a little bit, but I really prefer the flat displays.
For shizzle.
And as far as the settings menu of the Pixel 5a, man, pretty much start Google. Everything in your phone that you got to tweak, from networks to security, storage, even battery life, man, it's in the settings right here. So it's pretty cool. Smooth, stock Android to the T. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And speaking of battery, man, Google has been bragging heavily about the battery life of this phone. It's supposed to be the SHIT, you know what I'm saying? Sugar, honey, iced tea. Well, people, y'all know me. There's no cap here. I let the tech do the talking, and I will definitely put that to the test.
Yeah!
And as far as my favorite part of any Android phone, the notification shade and all that, let's see what options we got. Pretty much stock options, you know what I'm saying? You got the Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, flashlight, do not disturb, and such on there. So it's pretty cool. And as far as the camera interface, yes sir, yes sir. Let's take a tour. Up top is an arrow. Press that arrow, yes sir, yes sir. You can let in more light if you want to. Go ahead and set it up right there. Also control the picture interface, RAW or JPEG or both. Yes indeed. Motion photos can be enabled or disabled right here. And the timer. Right below the interface display right there is the zoom buttons right there. You can zoom out, zoom back standard, or zoom closer. Then you get the 3 function buttons. Man, changes from the cameras from back to front. Here I am right here. Yes, indeed. Flip it to the back again. Get the shoot trigger right there and the record button. Then at the bottom, man, you got choices for camera, portrait, night sight, video, and modes. Let's see what's in modes. Okay, in modes, you got panorama, photosphere, and lens. I clicked on photosphere to see what's up with it. I don't know what's up with it yet, but trust me, I'm gonna find out what it's about and do a video on it. I got you guys. Now, as far as Google Lens go, for those who don't know, man, this has been out for a while. Check this out. What it is you can point this at an item that you're interested in, and basically your phone will automatically search it up and look it up on Google to find out the availability, price, and all that. Absolutely lit. Okay, so far, man, my honest thoughts of this phone, it's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I mean, this is like a solid Pixel, you know what I'm saying? But it is an upgrade so far from what I can see from the 4A that I had last year. But people, videos are coming soon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will definitely let the tech do the talking with no cap involved at all. No, sir. I'm not into capism. No, sir. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, quick note. And also, people, if it's something about this phone that you want me to go over or do a video about, please comment below in the comments and I'll get that done for you. No question about it. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Google a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole dripping madness of Dan, Tanna, and Team Lit, then people do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.